Everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the PLUMS Free UPSC series. PLUMS is a prelims level up MCQ series. On daily basis 5 MCQs will be dealt. So today CSAT math related 5 MCQs will be dealt on September 2nd, 2023. So as part of Vysh IAS PLUMS series, we are dealing 9 p.m. 5 MCQs by different faculty. So if you want to get access to this content, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Along with the PLUMS series, there are already lot of videos are uploaded in the Vysh IAS YouTube channel, and on the daily basis sir is also uploading editorial discussion videos, so they are very effective. Please watch those videos also, and please save this number, that is 7200681675, in order to know about the test series related information and also related to this channel or UPSC. And you have to WhatsApp to this number. Okay, you should not call, you should WhatsApp to this number. Now let's start the video. MCQ number 1. If 50 men can do a piece of work in 12 days, working 6 hours per day, how many hours a day would 60 men have to work in order to do another piece of work twice as great in 16 days? So according to the question, we have written the data in this way: men, day, hours and work. In the initial case 50 men, in the second case 60 men, in the first case 12 and second case 16 days, first case 6 hours, second case x hours, as we have to find value of x. And in the first case work is 1 unit, and in the second case it is twice as first one, so this is 2. So everything here are directly proportional except work, so we have to take it as, so 6 by x, it's nothing but 6 by x is nothing but 60 by 50 in the unitary method, 16 by 12 into 1 by 2. Okay, we have taken inversely proportional of 1 by 2. Okay, if you solve this, 1 second, 6 by x, 60 by 50, 16 by 12 into 1 by 2. Let me take another color, 1 second. Yeah, 6 ones are 6 tens are 0 0 will get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 eights are 2 fours are 2 six are. Okay, 4 by 5 6 are 30. Okay, 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives. Okay, 2 by 15. 1 by x is nothing but 2 by 15. X is 15 by 2. It's nothing but 7.5 is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. That is option B is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. A bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins in the ratio of 5:9:4, amounting to rupees 206. Find the number of coins of 50 pice. So a bag contains 50 pice as 5. So in the 50 pice, 25 pice and 10 pice coins. Okay, and the ratio of 5:9:4. So now the ratio, the value will be, for example, 50 pices in the ratio of 5. Okay, 5 into 50 is to 9 into 25. Okay, there are 10 pice coins of 4 10 pice coins. So if you calculate this, you will get it as 50 is to 45 is to 8. After calculating, you will get the ratio as 50 is to 45 is to 8. This is the ratio of the values, total value. Okay, this actually, if you do the sum of this, you will get it as 103. But as per the question, the total value is amounting to 206. So the actual value is twice the value that we have got. So we have to increase the ratio by into 2, so that we will get the actual value. So the actual ratio that we have found is 50 is to 45 is to 8, and the sum of this we have got it as 103, but the actual value is 206. So into 2 we have to do. So if you do into 2, you will get it as 206. So for the ratio also, into 2 we have to do in order to get the actual value of the number of coins. 50 into 2 is 100, 45 into 2 is 90, 8 into 2 is 16. So clearly value of 50 pice coins are 100 according to the value that we have got. So total it means that 50 pice coins will be the value of 50 into 100, that is 2. So this is the value of the 50 pice coins. It means there are 250 pice coins, so that the total value will be 100 rupees. So answer will be option number A. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. In 2016, Ritu read 12 English books and 9 Hindi books. In 2017, she read twice as many Hindi books as English books. If 60% of the books that she read during the 2 years were Hindi, how many books she read in 2017? So as per the question, they have given us in the initial year, that is in the 2006, she read total books of 12 plus 9, 21 books. Okay, 12 English books and 9 Hindi books. But in 2017, she read twice as many Hindi books as English books. That's the reason we have taken number of English books as X, so that Hindi books will become 2x. So the total value of books she read in the 2017 is 2x plus x, that is 3x. And in the 2 years, she read 21 plus 3x books. So out of this total book, 60% she read is Hindi books. So in the 2016, the value of the Hindi books is 9, and in the 2017, the value of Hindi book is 2x. So if you calculate this, you will get it as 126 plus 18, x is equal to 20x plus 90. So the x value will be 18. But in the question, what did they ask? They asked about how many books did she read in 2017. As we have taken the value as x and 2x, so x plus 2x is nothing but 3x. Total value of the books she read in the 2017 is 3x, and the value of x we have got it as 18. So 18 into 3, it's nothing but 54. So option number C is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. I'm sorry, wait. Yeah. Anand has to cover 60 km distance, but after traveling 1/3 of the distance, he gets tired, so he reduces his speed to 3/4. Again, he covers the same distance and further reduces his speed to half of the current speed and reaches 30 minutes late. What is the usual speed of the Anant? Sorry. The total time taken is, time is equal to, we know the formula, speed is equal to distance by time. So time is nothing but distance by speed. So we have to calculate the total time. So the total time is nothing but, so as per the formula, time is nothing but distance by speed, right? So the distance in the first case is nothing but, the Anant has covered total of 60 km distance, but after traveling 1/3 of the distance, 1/3 of the distance is nothing but 20 kilometers. He gets tired, so reduces his speed to 3/4. So initially, let's take the speed as x. So in the initial case, the distance traveled is 20 and the speed is x. So in the second case, he gets tired, so he reduces his speed to 3/4. Again, he covers the same distance and further reduces his speed to half of the current speed and reduces 30 minutes and reaches 30 minutes late. So in the third case, he is telling that he covers the same distance. It means that in the first case, he have traveled 20 kilometers, in the second 20, and third also 20. Okay. So if you take the values now, distance is nothing but 20 by the speed in the initial case is x by plus 20 by it, he reduces his speed to 3/4 of total speed, plus 20 by, in the third case he reduces again half. So 3/4 in by 2 is nothing but 3/8x. Okay. Now if you solve this equation, you will get it as 100 by x hours. So the total time he would have taken if he had traveled complete distance at the original speed is, so the total distance was 60 and the original speed is x. So the total time he would have taken if he travel the original distance is 60 by x, and the value that we have got is 100 by x. So the difference in the time is nothing but 100 by x minus 16 by x. That is nothing but, if you calculate, you'll get the x value, but the time given as per the question is 30 minutes late. That is nothing but half an hour. So let's take by half an hour. So 100 by x minus 60 by x is nothing but half an hour. So if you solve this equation, 100 minus 60 is 40, 40 by x is equal to half an hour. So x value is 80 km per hour. So option C is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. Now let's solve last MCQ per day. In an arts college, each student studies exactly one ancient language. 3/5 of the students take Sanskrit and 1/4 of the remaining students take Ved. If all the other take Hindi, what percent of the students take Hindi? Okay. So as per the question, we know that 3/5 can be written as 60. You know, right? 3/5 is nothing but 60%. And 1/4 is nothing but 25%. So as per the question, they have given the number of Sanskrit student is 3/5. That is nothing but 60% of Sanskrit student. And 1/4 of the remaining students take Ved. 1/4 is nothing but 25% of the 60%. That is nothing but 10% of the total percent. Did you get me? 25% of the remaining 40%, which is nothing but 10%. So, for example, if there is 100%, out of this 100%, 60% have taken Sanskrit and remaining is 40%. Out of this 40%, 25% have taken Ved. it is nothing but out of 40%, 25% is nothing but 10%. Okay, so the 10% have taken Ved and the remaining is nothing but 30%. So 30% is nothing but the remaining students, that is Hindi. So 30% is Hindi, so option D is the correct answer. So MCQ number 5, D is the correct answer. That's it for today's video. I hope so you have liked this video, and please share this video with your friends, and also please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned. Keep smiling. Bye bye.